your chakra repair and unblocking. Oh, that's Izzy, one of my 3 beagles. Making trouble. Izzy, be good. Life with 3 beagles is challenging sometimes. Okay, we're gonna repair chakras and unblock energy channels. Repair and unblock chakras. Okay, all your major and minor chakras. So this helps you accomplish things, but also even helps your immune system, because the minor chakras, most of those are like acupuncture points of your physical body. So very helpful stuff. Okay, so it's composite copy technique. You make a big gold, and we're gonna use a big gold tub of water. So you just imagine a nice wide big gold tub of water, and fill it up with universal healing energy, gold healing energy. You can splash around in it for fun if you want. And just make a composite copy that looks like an open cylinder. So like this is a cylinder, and if it were, you know, round opening here and round opening here, that's an open cylinder. So a composite copy means it's one thing that you created, but it represents other things, right? It represents many things. So this composite copy represents all your major and minor chakras of your body and spirit. Okay, this one composite copy that you're making that looks like an open cylinder, and so you just repair any rips or gashes or, you know, missing pieces that are you know, any damage. You're going to repair chakra damage just by using your hands and the gold light. You can dunk it in the gold water, swoosh it around in the gold water. And we're also unblocking as we do that. You know, so you imagine clogs in there that you're unblocking with the gold light. And the damage, chakra damage, I mean, the whole thing will, like, say maybe like the top quarter could be shattered, or just, you know, there could be like a big chunk missing, like right there. Or there could be gashes that don't belong, or like scratches that don't belong. So just use lots of gold light and relax and let the gold light do the work. Sometimes you can have junk around the broken edges, so you just take out the junk, give it to your angels, just go, whoosh, angels, here you go, whoosh, angels, here you go, and then just, so now you have better access to the damaged parts of your chakra, and it'll repair better. So again, let's just get the junk off. Whoosh, angels, here you go, whoosh, angels, here you go, and then use a lot of gold light to repair. So you're repairing all your major and minor chakras with this composite copy. And we want to unblock it to the extent that it's healthy and gentle to do right now. So like, for example, your physical body, all those little energy, the little chakras that are acupuncture points, those minor chakras, there's a limit to how much change your physical body is gonna like at one time, right? So you just have the intention that you're imagining the blocks that are good to clear right now. They're healthy and gentle to clear, so that you can melt whatever blocks you imagine, right? So you have your composite copy, just imagine some mud in there, some stuck energy, and just use lots of gold light to melt those blocks. Whatever blocks are healthy and gentle to melt right now. And you can say, angels, can you recycle any beings or being tunnels that are in these chakras? So that's beings or being tunnels. Tunnels are just little passageways for beings, and so the angels can get rid of those too. So angels, can you recycle any beings or being tunnels that are in my chakras? All right. And now now that we already did the unblocking and the repair, now less extra will make a little trouble, right? And we'll mention abundance, right? So let's mention, I mean, you can think of abundance, but to trigger what you need to clear, you kind of, you mentioned, like, think of your debt maybe, what kind of debt do you owe to somebody, if you owe any debt, or do you have sort of a financial challenge that you have? And just imagine if you can, that you can see now the healthy and gentle blocks around your chakras that you can clear that relate to whatever you were just thinking about. As you think about how much money you owe, just imagine the blocks now that you're aware of, and just go ahead and melt those away. Also, if you just have worries and concerns financially, you can imagine those and just imagine the energy blocks that go with those worries and concerns and just melt them away. Okay, good. So just leave that composite copy in the gold light, and then make another composite copy of your energy channels, all your energy channels of your body and spirit. So you have big energy channels like down your arm, up and down your spine, up your legs. Those are big energy channels, but you have others that are not as big but super important still. The meridians of traditional Chinese medicine that carry energy, all around your physical body. Those are very important too. Those are energy channels. So you just imagine a composite energy channel. This looks like a red tube of all the energy channels that you have, and just go ahead and unblock that. Heal it and unblock it. So by doing this, you are repairing and unblocking, to the extent that's healthy and gentle, all your energy channels of your body and spirit. Energy channels, when they get damaged, they kind of get split open. They can have little puncture holes in them, but they can also just get completely split open. So just heal this composite copy of your energy channels. Surround it in gold light. You dip it in the gold light of the tub of gold water. And you want to repair any damage. And then just imagine any energy blocks that are healthy and gentle to clear right now. And you can imagine them just like clogs in the tube, or junk around the outside of the tube too, and just melt all that away. So you imagine what's healthy and gentle to clear, and then you melt it away. And then there's a protective force field around all the energy channels. So just, you can imagine that and heal that up too, repair it. All right. And then you can say too, angels, can you recycle any beings or being tunnels that are in or around my energy channels? And if you have any abundance related blockages in or around your energy channels, go ahead and imagine those. And if you can't imagine them, then think about your debt and imagine, think about something you owe or some financial issue that you have, and just imagine the blocks that go with that around your energy channels, and just melt those blocks away. Or if melting them isn't fun enough for you, you can move the blocks above or below your copy and just blow up. If it's you that you're healing, just blow up the blocks. If you're healing someone else, I would say that's too bossy, so just use gold light to melt them. But you can move the blocks over and then just use gold light to melt them. even if you're healing somebody else. So let's do that for the chakras. Just move up any abundance related blocks from all your chakras. Just move up the blocks away from the composite copy. And if you're doing it on yourself, you can just blow up the blocks. If it's not you, just melt them with gold light. And with energy channels also, abundance related blocks, move them up and blow them up or melt them with gold light. So do that again from your chakras and your energy channels, move up the blocks and blow them up or melt them with gold light. Abundance related blocks from your chakras or your energy channels, move them up and blow them up or melt them with gold light. Right. So that was fun. So that was chakra repair, chakra unblocking, energy channel repair and unblocking, just in general, but also with about abundance.